Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Saturday 4th September 2025. Today UK 49's lunchtime prediction first number 17, number 40, number 20, number 8, number 42, booster number 37. UK 49's tea time prediction number. Join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 5 UK 49's lunchtime 3 hot number 99% accurate prediction 3 hot number. Join only level 5 UK 49's lunchtime 3 hot number. Join now. Today UK 49's tea time prediction number. First number 25, number 19, number 8, number 45, number 39, booster number 21. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Like, share, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel now.